To make a nether portal in Minecraft, you will need to gather a few essential materials. First, you will need 14 obsidian blocks, which can be obtained by pouring lava into a bucket of water or by finding it naturally in the game world. You will also need flint and steel to ignite the portal. Start by creating a rectangular frame using the obsidian blocks, with a width of 4 blocks and a height of 5 blocks. Make sure to leave the center of the frame empty, as this will be where the portal will be located. Once you have created the frame, use the flint and steel to ignite the center of the portal. This will activate the portal and create a swirling purple effect. You can now step through the portal to enter the Nether, a hellish dimension filled with lava, ghasts, and other dangers. When creating a Nether portal, it is essential to remember that the portal will always take you to the same location in the Nether, regardless of where you are in the game world. This means that you can use the portal to travel quickly between the game world and the Nether. It is also important to note that the Nether is a very dangerous place, and you should be well prepared before attempting to travel there. Make sure you have a good set of armor, a strong sword, and plenty of health restoring items before stepping through the portal. By following these steps, you can create a Nether portal and start exploring the Nether dimension in Minecraft. Remember to always be careful and prepared when traveling to the Nether, as it can be a very challenging and unforgiving place.